What's going on, guys? I'm braving the freezer here at Costco to show you what is and is not keto. What's up, YouTube? It's Jessie Lee. You can call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from. And all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm going to be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. And so we are in here, and you might think things that are like melt are keto. They're not. They're full of sugars, but we always make sure we grab our eggs from here. They're definitely the cheapest you're going to get them, and you need the whole egg if you're going to be keto. You need that yellow. That yellow is where all the goodness is. We also grab heavy whipped cream from Costco every single time we're here as well. Now, if you're not dairy sensitive, it's just a great way to fluff your eggs up. It's in a lot of, soups and keto recipes like that. It's a really great way to just get some extra fats. So we tend to grab eggs every time we're here, and we grab heavy whipped cream. There's also now a new brand of coffee creamer called Picnic, P-I-C-N-I-K. It's also keto too. So we don't, I don't drink coffee, so it doesn't, I don't need it. And Alexander drinks coffee, but he doesn't put any creamer or anything in it except for keto cream that of course I sell. So, but there are definitely keto options.